Go back, Andy.
Okay. South of here.
Back. Go! Pass it, Andy, go!
Now, what time is all this?
3 o'clock.
It's south side, or is it indoors?
No, it's outside.
Outside. Well, you know what? The wind comes. The wind was picking.
Go back now!
Lisa and I went out to dinner. It wasn't that late, like 10 o'clock. And I've never seen wind like that around here. All right.
My girl, my best friend, lived all over.
Go in the box, Andrea! In the back! Go! Follow! All right. Move back now!
That was trying to kick me.
Go back! Go, Haley! Work it!
Oh, as a kid, you must have loved that.
Go back!
I'll tell you a story. You national park? If you ever want to go to a national park, it's open. Go to this. But anyway, it's northern Montana. Northern Montana. So it actually goes into Canada. It's called something else in Canada. Borders Canada. But anyway, so we go horseback riding one day.
Come on, Andy! Come on, Rowan!
Then a couple days later, we went again. My oldest daughter didn't want to go. It was maybe a couple of days. And hey,
Where'd they go get her?
I was just telling John about that. Jennifer's going for a horseback riding. Jamesburg. Now I know. But anyway, so it was just the 4 of us and one guy. Normally we go horseback riding.
Yeah, once it goes off the natural stops.
Just the 5 of us. So we're riding here.
Their coach, yeah, blue.
We didn't go anywhere. It was very narrow trail. Brush on either side. She's yelling at the horse, kicking. Trying to get her out.
Get out of there, Molly!
Finally, I mean, and it started to get concerning. The horse was backing.
Send it up!
We were in a very small area. Because it was all brush. Finally, she gets to edge the horse up the hill. Right at the base of the hill. Then she gets on the horse. Wow, that was some bear. Some bear. He only does that when there's a bear around. Yeah, glad you didn't tell us what was going on.
Where's the guy?
We're going home.
You know what they told us the glacier? We heard this abuse about this because we were in Bristol.
Good job, Casey!
Lisa knew the story. There's no recorded attack. You have 4 people that jump off. No, it was an accident. Less than 4 people. Well, you know, yeah, we go every summer we've been going to national horseback riding, rafting, and hiking. There's only so much hiking you can do. Those are the 3 main things we do. And eat.
Bang the glass, bang the glass.
Very nervous, yeah.
Stop!